Okay, if you want to add Turnitin.com to an assignment, go into your modules, add assignment, add item, and go in and edit. Go ahead and add whatever materials you want. When you go down, you can select how many points. You may attach a rubric if you'd like. However, in Turnitin, you can also attach a rubric. And then when you go to your submission type, click External Tool. From here, you're going to find Turnitin.com. Select, and you can attach how many attempts are allowed. Turnitin.com, I believe, allows you to submit 3 times. Save and publish. Now you're not done yet. You have to actually go into the published part and edit your submission settings for how you want them to turn it in. So right now it's showing turn it in. You can turn it in on 10/21, 2021 is the start date. You can change the due date of when you want it. So if I wanted it due the following day, I can select that. I could actually, for the feedback release date, I could actually select the date of the start date. So if students turn it in before the due date, they can get their feedback immediately. Click on optional settings. From here, this allows you to adjust each assignment for what you want to have allowed for students. So if you want it to be compared against all papers at your school, you would select standard paper repository. You can say allow submission of any file type, allow late submissions. You definitely want to enable grammar checking. And then typically you're going to use the US English Dictionary. Here you can also adjust which categories are going to be enabled for grammar checking. You can attach a rubric if you would like. In addition, you can also generate the report. So if students are copying from other materials, this is going to generate a report to them to let them know which things need to be adjusted. After that, you click submit and everything will be saved. So from a student view, I'm going to go in as a student and show you. I would click on the assignment, and here would be my instructions. And as a student, I would go ahead and click upload instruction or upload submission. Turnitin sample, this is what's going to show you all of that stuff you just adjusted as the instructor. Other than that, they click upload submission, they would attach and submit, and it will show up to you as the instructor as an assignment in screen or in the speed grader. Hopefully this helps.